let's unclog our drainage. You can do this without chemicals. So we are going to remove it, the filter, and remove the filter. So you need something, maybe a knife or something like this to remove it. So now it's open. The filter is out. You see how disgusting it is. Don't, if you are disgusted easily, don't watch, please. So and then the filter is out. Now we remove the inner part. Make sure to see how it was before, that is not working at the end to return it. I will spray it. Then I will use this brush to clean everything. I'll start with this. I need some water. I will scrub it first and then I will rinse it. Make sure to wear some protection for your arms because it's really disgusting. Scrub everything. This helps that your drainage is not blocked, especially when you have long hair. After a while it will clog your drainage. So for some drainages you will have a lot of hair. For us it's not so much. I will throw it out later to the bin. Now we focus on cleaning. Make sure to get everything out. Anything that's not dissolvable, I will try to put it away. That is not going back to the drain. Mine is not so bad. I clean it often, so it's not so blocked. I will rinse it, but we see what's still remaining. That's the inside part, looks better, I guess. The purple thing looks nice already. I like the result. I will get a toothbrush that will clean the smaller parts. Now I have a toothbrush. I spray with a bit product, and then I will start cleaning this. And get all of that out. So when your bathroom is flowing slowly, you don't need a plumber. You can do this by yourself. An alternative will be using the chemicals. In Germany we call it rohr fry. I don't know what you call it in English, but you can get it online or buy it from some stores like DM, Muller or Roseman. But I like the manual where you get all the dirt out. Then your bathroom will smell nice. So if your bathroom is flowing slowly, this is one of the solutions. If the water is draining slowly after showering, I use the brush to get to the further parts. There you can, oh God, Shama, look at this. Wow. So that's really disgusting. That's why cleaning it is really important. So I was using the brush to get into the further part, and I was getting that big chunk out. So I believe now it's good. Nothing is coming out in the rest of that gum is just some small dissolvable waste. So this time it will flow away. I will rinse it again, and then we can put everything back. Oh, you see, the water is making it flow away. The rest is just some sand. It will flow away with time, so it's not so bad. It's good that we got away the disgusting part. So I will put everything back. So make sure to get such a brush because it gets to all the upper parts, and then the toothbrush is good for getting out the waste which is deeper inside the pipe, or deep in the waste pipe. I will put that back. So it's meant to trap the waste here, but I think that one was going through. So I will put it back like this. You see, this one will go inside the pipe. Looks good. And then this one you just put it back. This is not difficult. It's just closing there. So it looks really clean, guys. I'm impressed by the results. You can see through the drainage again. Yeah, the phone is not showing so good. Maybe I try. Yeah, from looking with the direct eye it looks better, but I'm impressed by the results. So you can either do it manually like I did it, or use the chemicals I told you, but I prefer doing it by yourself. It's not so difficult unless you are really disgusted, and in this case I will understand. So thanks for watching and goodbye. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe please. Bye.